All right, this is your Monday real life stock review. Simply put, let's dive in.
Traders from around the world, what is going on? It's your boy Jeremy Alexander Newsome with reallifetrading.com, where our mission is to enrich lives. And it's Monday. Let's go talk about what we got going on today. The SPY just kind of hanging out. Let me pop over to this chart really quick to kind of give you my thoughts. This was drawn 2 weeks ago on what the SPY is most likely going to do. And so far, it's pretty much happening exactly like that. Nice little curve. And again, a lot of people expecting the market to go lower. A lot of people are saying the phrase, the market is totally disconnected from the broader, economic picture of what's going on in America. And I do not disagree with that. But the markets are the markets. The trend is the trend. The chart's the chart. Do what it says, not what you think it's going to do. So the SPY at this point, again, generally looks like it's going to go just slowly grind higher. Two other really pieces of information I think you might find useful. The new beginner trading program is available on reallifetrading.com. This one is the updated, edited versions with all the nice, cool graphics and quizzes and modulars and information and pieces of intel. So if you or any of your friends want to learn about trading or investing short-term or long-term, go to RLT, click on the beginner program and take that really great product. Secondly, the live trading has begun with our moderators. So if you get the opportunity to go to reallifetrading.com, click on live trading, scroll down to trading schedule, you'll notice that we have the moderators taken over for the month of May. This is the Moderator Challenge. And since I'm back from vacation, we have crushed it and started it today with a huge win from Robert Falco, aka Dr. Falconium. And we are playing Tesla, and Tesla was a really, really nice win. There's a $20,000 winner right there on Tesla. Murdad just joining RLT hours ago. Karen, thanks for joining Real Life Trading. Excited to have you here. Super, super pumped. But yep, Graham got himself 0.95 Rs on Tesla, and most traders winning really, really nicely on Tesla. This was a trade that Robert Falco set up officially for us in the morning room, and this is how it looked before it triggered. We'll come all the way over here, and early in the morning, here it was, 6:39 a.m., pretty much bracket trading that high wave candle and a gap down, playing it bullish, and it was a brilliant setup. So again, great trade, nicely done. Robert Falco, he'll be there again tomorrow. Let's go look at some stocks that were requested and just some other stocks in general. And let's go look at Fuel Cell, ticker symbol FCEL. This is one that had a lot of requests actually. And Fuel Cell does not look bad. It looks a lot like Plug. And Plug and Fuel Cell have some interesting chart patterns, but if I go to a bigger time frame, let's go really zoom out and look at this weekly chart. What's interesting on Fuel Cells, if we zoom out to the weekly, is you can see tons and tons and tons of really, impactfully large bullish volume spikes, right? So you got these huge volume spikes coming in, strong moves, and you're working on getting above all the moving averages. So if I pop over here to TradingView and just look at all the moving averages really quick. So the 50 EMA is the big brick wall at 232. When and if we can start breaking above there, we should be good to go and ready to rock and roll. If we pop over here to a monthly chart, you'll notice the 10 is kind of pushing it down. But really, I do think Fuel Cell is one that you can absolutely start keeping your eyes on for a little bit of a pop. Even if it's just a very fast bill-paying swing trade, a break above 215 should be pretty okay. And stop loss could easily be about $1.75 or $1.76. So yeah, worth watching Fuel Cell for sure. Other request I got was PCG, Pacific Gas and Electric. And this one, trading more sideways. You did have a good double bottom back in March like most of the markets. And we did retest that double bottom back here on the 1st of May with some decent volume. Right now you have yourself just a little bit of a flag pattern right here on Pacific Gas. So with this double bottom coming in, with the retest of the neckline, and getting a little bit of a flag pattern, personally on this one, I would just look to get in bullish above 1182 if it breaks out of that pattern, and then put my stop loss somewhere around 1049 and some change. Otherwise, that's really about it. Pacific Gas long term is going to be a little bit riding the struggle bus just a bit. If we really zoom out, let's go all the way out here to like a weekly chart, just kind of see what's going on. It looks a little bit rough, and most energies have, but specifically this one. Now, some utility companies are holding up really, really strongly, but this is not one that has been holding up strongly. Therefore, again, quick trades in and out. If you want to accumulate it, you can, but most of the traders who requested this one were looking for some fast in and out type of moves. AMD today went and is still going absolutely gangbusters. One of the reasons I'm pulling up AMD is because the daily charts, you had this really, really nice sell-off on early last week, May the 1st. So when we were selling off, bear candle, bear candle, bear candle, bear candle, bear candle, 5 bearish candles in a row. Can you look at a recent time in history where AMD has had 5 bear candles in a row? No, you cannot. I've looked. So 5 bearish candles in a row when the market was going up on one of the strongest stocks on the entire market percentage-wise, and it came right into the 50. So a lot of real life traders sold a megaton of May 44 puts and some bull put spreads, and those are looking delightful today. AMD was also a new white soldier on Friday, which gave you the hint, hey, be bullish, trend is bullish on AMD. A lot of traders just serendipitously smoked AMD today for some solid gains. Really nice trend, good breakout, gorgeous, gorgeous continuation pattern on AMD. Be bullish, not bearish on AMD. All right, and I will look at TDOC. So congratulations to Art, who played TDOC bullish today. Here's the 5-minute chart. And Art got in bullish up here, I believe, with a stop down here, and was able to ride that little last pop for a decent R and some change win on TDOC. So TDOC, decent looking trend. We also did a lot of put sales on TDOC over earnings, actually, because this was a stock that we really did not mind owning shares of. Made a new high right there, was pulling back coming into earnings, retesting old resistance, new support, and the trend was bullish anyway. All right, this is the weekly chart. Really, really good volume. A lot of people fundamentally, big picture, are in love with TDOC right now, and it makes a lot of sense. It really, really does. So Tyler and a few other traders, congratulations. Really pulling off a nice win with those option sales on TDOC, as this one just continues to scream higher. And since we did look at Tesla, but we looked at it on a day trade level, again, bullish trends. We gapped down this morning. We already talked about how we played it. So we took it bullish above the opening range breakout, just played it bullish on the fade, which was really perfect. And now you have a wicked pair candle pattern on Tesla. So keep your eyes peeled for the next 3 or 4 days to be relatively bullish on Tesla. I'm not saying it's going to be bullish. I'm simply saying if you get any kind of bullish continuation from here, this is a wicked pair candle. You had a phenomenal gap on Friday. I'm looking to play Tesla bullish. I'll be keeping an eye on this one, and I'm sure some real life traders will be continuing to rack in the gains big time on Tesla this week. Folks from around the world, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and you got some tips, insights, and tricks from this recording. I will see you all on Wednesday for the next stock review. And until then, love life, live life, and trade it. Bye.
You got it. That was your Monday stock review. Thank you for watching. You are incredible. And until next time, love life, live life, and trade it. Bye.